everybody. This hunt was in Wisconsin with Logan Von Dahlen. We're gonna go to one of my spots that me and one other dude have permission on, some other dude, and we got there and he was already hunting. So went to Plan B, which was another spot I hadn't hunted yet this year, but I had permission and he saved it for me, and basically got in there and was told they roost on this little peninsula. So went back there and started calling and got a hen to respond. So we sat down, and next thing you know, two hens flew in to the shoreline where we were from the peninsula, and then we started hearing some gobbles up to the back right side of the property. So we went all the way to the back corner and tried to make a move, and you'll see what happens. So stay tuned. This was 3 or 4 days before the season closed, so we were kind of in a crime touch too. Well, we're snuck up on this peninsula. And two turkeys flew off of it, landed right there, 15 yards, but they're both hens. And we had a hen come from back right that we never saw, but it was clucking. And we got a hen somewhere on her left over by the peninsula yet. We haven't seen her, and then all the gobbles we've heard have been way off in the distance, so we're still waiting to see what happens. Definitely gonna whack those two hens up for 20 minutes now. We're waiting for this last one to come so we can see if there's anything with it, but it's sounding to me like all the toms are a little bit of ways off, but might be able to call them over, so stay tuned. Alright, so we made a move. We're pretty much as far as we can go on this dude's property, and we're in this little opening. There's a field that way, an opening that way, and he's that way. And he's gobbled almost every time we've called since we've been here. But it's probably 5-10 minutes now. We're hoping he's gonna work his way here because we can't go any farther to the property line. So stay tuned. Hopefully he comes in and whack him here in a minute. But he's gobbled almost every time, and it's well after light. He's been on the ground for over an hour, so hopefully that means he's coming. But stay tuned. In that field. He's gotta be. Just wait, we're just gonna fucking come over here. You're just gonna see a fucking eagle right over the fucking There might be two. Sounds like one's in the field and one's in that opening.
Sounds like he's coming down into the woods.
Dude, how do you not see him? He's got to be in that field. Maybe give him a real light yelp. There's definitely two. I never had. Maybe he sees the decoy. Because he just fired up. So, can you see it on the left side of that field at all? Like at the opening in the field. You can't see him yet. Little louder. Man, he's being stubborn. What?
Yeah, I see him.
You see him? Is he coming?
Behind a tree. He's gonna see us decoy.
Is he in the field?
Yeah. See him? He's kind of behind a tree. He's there.
Which way was he going?
Yeah, there he is. He's in the opening. He's closer. Wait, he's gonna see us.
As soon as you think you can see it, do a real soft yelp. As soon as you think you can see it, do a real soft yelp. Make sure you can see it.
He's straight up there.
Huh? Has he seen it yet?
Turn it down. He's still behind that tree.
I can't see him.
He's gotta see that decoy.
What's he doing?
I think he's going in the grass. It's really hard to tell. I think he's going
Into us. Do you see him?
that grass is starting to
Just hold still there. Do you see him yet? Do you see him at all? He's going. That sounded farther.
I don't want to push him.
Get him? Yep. Nice shot. Well, we officially reaped the turkey.
Baby. Let's go, baby.
Yes, sir. That was stupid. God, we worked for that thing.
Let's go, dude.
Heck yeah. My legs are once again numb.
Half is kicking. Oh, it's a nice stand on you.
I think he had a good beard too. The old crappie flop. Are you gonna mount a stand?
Yeah.
I should probably grab his head then so it doesn't break. Very nice bird. Let's see the spurs.
Oh, those are nice spurs.
Are they? Oh
Yeah.
God, yeah.
Those are really nice spurs.
They're probably injured. Look at his foot. Something's wrong with that middle toe. Heck yeah.
Damn, that took a second. He was not having it.
Explain to what happened about the whole morning.
Oh my god. The whole time?
Well, just the explanation.
Oh.
Alright, go.
So, got out here in the morning pretty late. Because the other spot we were going to go to, there was somebody else hunting. And we get out here, and landowner said they're roosting on this peninsula, out on this pond. So we kind of walk out to where it funnels, and two hens flew across this peninsula over to us, and then we were surrounded by like 4 hens. Couldn't really do much. Just kind of sat there, and then we didn't hear any birds gobbling right away, and then we started to hear a couple gobble, but they're across the pond. So then we tried to cut the one off. We went around the other side of the pond, the other side of the property, and set up the strutter decoy. And
literally the only opening that was over there.
Yeah, in a tiny little opening. He had to cross a fence, but finally, 2 fences. So I didn't think he was going to do it, which he didn't, but he saw the strutter decoy. He kind of put his head down and started to come but then I lost him in the tall grass. He ended up coming up back over here to the main part of the property.
He closed a lot of distance in
Yeah, it
short
was pretty
time.
quick. And then we heard him gobbling, so we hauled ass over here and saw him in the field. So then Colton just held the strutter decoy, and I was just kind of telling him what he was doing because he
For a
couldn't.
while.
Yeah, for a while because he couldn't see him. He was really iffy on whether he wanted to come or not. Like, I think he could see it.
Well, he saw me when I came around that corner. I mean, I had the decoy in front of me, but I came around the corner over there in that trail that we shot him from, and I saw him looking at me, and then
Yeah.
put the decoy
And then
up
I saw him. He started to strut up a little bit because he wasn't at first. And then he came over here to the left, and then he really saw the decoy, and then he started to come in. And I had to I was kneeling down in this grass, and then he could see me, so I had to get back into the woods a little bit and I stood up behind this tree, and I was freaking shooting I was like this.
You were standing up, weren't you?
No, I was like this or something. I don't know. It was really weird angle, but I just freaking
Yeah,
on his head, and yeah, he was pretty toast. So.
I couldn't even see him until he got past this tree here, and then that's why I started calling more, because I could actually see what he was doing. And once I saw him start strutting to my calling, I was like, all right,
But
he might be interested. But yeah, he's got some hooks on him.
yeah, he's
Holy-
got some hooks on him.
Those are probably your best hooks, huh?
Yeah, those are probably.
That one.
Well, yeah,
They're at least 1.25 inches.
yeah. Yeah.
Pretty nice.
My first one was 1.25 inches, so that's probably
Was it?
matching it.
Probably
Decent beard on it.
pretty thick.
10-inch beard.
Yeah, you should hit 10. You got some extra long ones too, and he didn't even shoot it. Nice. He did the old crappie flop. Where'd you whack him? Freaking way back here, didn't you?
Yeah.
Look at all this torn up dirt and blood. Freaking right here? Must have been right here.
Well, where's the trail?
Yeah, it'd been right here. Right?
The trail's right there, so yeah. No, it was, yeah, probably about right here because
Now look at the
I
dirt.
couldn't see because I was standing behind that big tree right there.
Look at the dirt though. This is where he started flopping.
Oh, yeah.
And they flopped all the way down to there before we grabbed them.
Got
Is he
my
heavy?
Johnny bird.
Is he heavy? I don't even remember. Yeah, I'd say 21.
Yeah.
Pretty heavy. Definitely ain't small, but not the biggest in the world. Not gonna lie, I'm glad you shot him here versus where we were trying to
Oh, yeah,
get
that would
him.
have been a pain in the ass.
That would have been one heck of a
He would have been
walk.
getting,
Oh, that would have been
torn up.
a long walk.
Yeah, we can just drive the truck over to the freaking.
Yeah, the end of the drive or the side of the driveway.
Well,
All right, Logan, what do they do if they like the video? Ready?
like and subscribe. You're never killing a turkey again.